How to create a seamless pattern in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. First load the designs you want to use into Silhouette Studio. Step 2. Resize the designs and set them aside if you've loaded in multiple clip art. Step 3. Go to the Page Setup panel, check the settings and close it. Step 4. Select a design, place it on the workspace and resize it. Step 5. Bring in the other clip art you want to use into the workspace, then position and resize them. Step 6. Have some design hang off the edge. Step 7. Load in other designs, then go ahead and reposition them to your liking. Step 8. Set aside the designs that you're not going to use. Step 9. Once done, go to Shapes and select a rectangle. Step 10. Click and draw a rectangle that's the same height as the media size, covering the first design that's hanging off the edge. Step 11. Go to the Transform panel and click Align Left. Step 12. With the rectangle selected, press Ctrl plus left directional key to duplicate the rectangle you just created. Step 13. Select the design that's hanging off the edge and press the Ctrl plus left directional keys on the keyboard to duplicate the design. Step 14. Click the original design, hold down the Shift key and select the duplicated rectangle. Step 15. Go over to the Modify panel, click Crop, and it'll crop out the design inside the media. Step 16. Select the cropped out design, go back to the Transform panel and click Align Right. Step 17. Now click the duplicated design and hold down the Ctrl plus right directional key to place the design back into its original position. Step 18. Delete the duplicated design you do not need anymore. Step 19. Select the rectangle and click Align Right in the Transform panel. Step 20. Hold down the Control button and press the right directional key to create a duplicate. Step 21. Select the design that's hanging off the edge and press the Ctrl plus right directional keys to create a duplicate. Step 22. Select the original design and the duplicated rectangle, go to the Modify panel and click Crop. Step 23. Go back to the Transform panel and click Align Left to send the cropped image to the left side. Step 24. Select the duplicated design, press and hold the Ctrl key, then press the left directional key to put the duplicated design back into its original position. Step 25. Now go ahead and delete the design that's outside the media. Step 26. To make the top part of the design seamless with the rectangle selected, select the third tab in the Transform panel. Step 27. Click 90 degrees under Rotate by, go back to the Align tab, click Center, then click Align Top. Step 28. Hold down the Control key, then press the up directional key to create a duplicate of the rectangle and place it on top. Step 29. Select the design that's hanging off the top part and create a duplicate by pressing the Ctrl plus up button. Step 30. Now select the original design and the duplicated rectangle, then click Crop. Step 31. Go to the Transform panel and click Align Bottom to align the cropped part of the design to the bottom. Step 32. Select the duplicated design on top, then press and hold the Ctrl plus down directional key to put it back in its original position. Step 33. Now go ahead and delete the design you do not need. Step 34. Set the rectangle aside, reposition the designs in the media and pull in other designs if required. Step 35. Once you're happy with the design, go to File on the top left side and click Merge. Step 36. Select the design you want to use as background and load it into the media. Step 37. Go to Image Effects, use the Amount slider to turn the design black and white, click Apply, then click Send to Back. Step 38. Now go to the Page Setup panel and ensure that media size is set to Custom. Step 39. Go to the Fill panel and increase the transparency until you're happy with the background. Step 40. Go to File on the top left, click Save As, then select Save to Hard Drive. Step 41. Save the design anywhere you want and click OK. Step 42. In the new pop-up window, increase the pixels and click Save. Step 43. Wait for it to save the design, then go to File and click Open. Step 44. Select the design you just saved and click OK. Step 45. Once the design opens in the media, go to the Transform panel and select the second tab. Step 46. Lock the design, then resize it from the Specify Dimensions section. Step 47. Select the Align tab and click Center to Page. Step 48. Reposition and resize the design. Step 49. With the design selected, press the Ctrl key and press the arrow directional keys to duplicate the design to the right, down and left. Step 50. Select the entire design, zoom in to go over the seams and ensure that they are not overlapping. Step 51. If you don't see any issues in the design, your seamless pattern is ready to use. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.